This average family actually grows every single one of their vegetables in a space that is smaller than most typical bedrooms. I think we can all agree that current organic produce prices are getting absolutely out of control. It feels crazy paying $8 for a single head of lettuce or $6 for fresh herbs that end up wilting in just 2 days. But what if I told you that this family saves over $200 every single month by growing their own food right at home? The best part is that this entire productive system only takes about 5 minutes of your time each day. You can easily set this up using less than 100 square feet of space in your home. This method even works perfectly if you are living in a cramped apartment without a yard. Sarah from Denver said that they were initially skeptical, but they actually saved $3,000 their first year. Mike from Phoenix told us that even his kids finally eat all their vegetables now simply because they helped grow them themselves. You can get access to the complete step-by-step system for just $27 today instead of the usual $147. Your purchase includes 5 exclusive bonus guides which are normally valued at $165. Everything is backed by our 60-day money-back guarantee, so you are taking absolutely zero risk. Click the link in our bio right now to grab this special offer before the deal expires in 24 hours.